How to make the faded film look. Today's video is sponsored by the OnlyFans. Open your clip in the color page. Go to the curves window. Add one point close to the shadows of your curve, and one more close to the highlights. Grab the lower point of the curve and bring it up. Select the highlights point and bring it down. Add another node. Go to the primaries window, and instead of the color wheels, go to the log wheels. Increase the midtone wheel color, and you'll see that almost nothing was changed. This is because you need to set the range for it. Those are the low and high ranges. Bring down the low range and increase the high to control how much of your image you want to be in the middle point. Play around with the color and the range until you've got something that doesn't look terrible. From this part and on, it is only for the very special people that can afford the studio version. Add another node and bring a glow effect. Bring down the shine threshold slider. Scroll down and change the type to soft light and adjust the spread slider to your liking. Add another node and drag the halation effect. Tweak around the sliders until you've got some soft halation. This part is completely up to you. There is no right or wrong here. Just my incredibly delicate taste and your super ugly lack of it. Add one last node and bring the film grain effect. Change the preset to 16mm reversal, because that's what I like, and adjust the sliders to your liking. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, subscribe anyway, it's free.